In a region famous for oil wealth and glitzy skylines, one small desert country once ruled them all, Kuwait. A land where oil changed everything, then war changed it all again. Before oil, Kuwait was a humble trading hub. Its people survived through fishing, shipbuilding, and pearl diving, one of the harshest jobs in history. Divers would spend hours underwater, holding their breath, searching for pearls, often risking their lives for a single gem. Then in 1938, everything changed. Oil was discovered. And overnight, Kuwait transformed from a small desert village into one of the richest nations on earth. By the 1960s, Kuwait City had skyscrapers, paved roads, and free education, while many of its neighbors were still deserts. Its citizens enjoyed free healthcare, housing, and education. It was the envy of the Middle East. But in 1990, tragedy struck. Saddam Hussein's Iraq invaded Kuwait, claiming it as part of Iraq. The invasion lasted just 7 months, but it changed Kuwait forever. As Iraqi troops retreated, they set fire to over 600 oil wells. For months, the world watched as black smoke blotted out the sun. Birds fell from the sky. The desert turned black with oil. It was one of the worst environmental disasters in history. But the story didn't end there. Kuwait rebuilt brick by brick. Its people returned home, cleaned the land, and restored the oil fields. Within a few years, Kuwait was back, resilient and determined. Unlike its glitzy Gulf neighbors, Kuwait stayed modest. It focused on education, democracy, and equality. It has the region's oldest parliament, where citizens can vote and women hold seats of power. It's also a cultural hub, known for literature, music, and art. Kuwait once had the first movie theaters in the Gulf, and its TV dramas still dominate Arab media. Today, Kuwait faces new challenges: economic reform, climate change, and preparing for a post-oil world. But its greatest strength has never been oil, it's been resilience. Kuwait has fallen and risen before, and it will do it again. Thanks for watching, and watch this next video of a country you have probably never visited.